Hi children, good morning to all. In our previous video class we have seen chapter 10 measurement exercise 10.1. Today we are going to see exercise 10.2. Okay ma? Okay ma? In our last video class we have seen 10th chapter measurement of length table we have seen. Once again I remember you, measurement of length table is 10 millimeter equals 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter means it's equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter it's equal to 1 decimeter. 10 centimeter means it's equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter means 1 meter. 10 decimeter 1 meter. 10 meter 1 decameter. 10 meter 1 decameter. 10 decameter equal to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer equals 1 kilometer. 10 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. Then this one you already know, 1000 meter equals 1 kilometer. 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. 10 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. I write the explanation of this mm, cm, dm, dam, hm and km. Km you already know, kilometer. Hm means hectometer. Dam means decameter. Dm means decimeter. Cm means centimeter. mm means it's a millimeter. Okay, now again I recall this one because in the exercise 10.2 also we have to convert some units. Okay, so I remember it again. You have to memorize this table. Okay. Okay, ma. Let us see exercise 10.2. Okay. See, first Roman they gave multiply. Now, first Roman they gave multiply. Multiply. First sum 36.9 centimeter into 5. Here they gave some number with the unit of centimeter. We are going to multiply this 36 by 9 into 5. As usual only, normal multiplication only. But after the multiplication, here you have a decimal point. So don't forget, you have to keep the decimal point also in your answer, and also you mention the unit without fail. Okay ma? So 5 nines are what will come? 5 nines are 45 for 5, remaining 4. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, so 4 remaining 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 3 18. So here after one digit, one place you have a decimal point. So in your answer also after one digit you have to keep the decimal point, and without fail you have to mention the unit. So what is the answer? 184.5 centimeter. 184.5 centimeter. Okay ma? Then B1 21.997 meter into 3. In our previous sum they gave the unit centimeter, but in the second sum they gave the unit in meter. We are going as usual only, normal multiplication. So 3 7s are 21. 21 means 1 remaining 2. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 29. So 9 remaining 2. 1 3s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. Then 2 3s are 6. So we multiplied this number. Then we have to keep the decimal point. 1 2 digit after they gave the decimal point. In your answer also after 2 digit you have to keep the decimal point, and you have to mention the unit. They gave meter. So 65.91 meter. 65.91 meter. Then see, in your E sum they gave little bit confused. Nothing, as usual, normal method only. I will teach that one. E1 E sum 3 kilometer. See, in your previous sum they gave only 1 unit only, but here they gave four different units. 3 kilometer, 5 hectometer, and then 6 decameter, then 8 meter into 11. As usual only ma, normal multiplication only. Listen, it's a 2 digit, no, so you have to multiply by 2 digit. 1 8s are 8, 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. Then again next one, 1 8s are 8, where you have tried as usual multiplication only. 8, 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3. Okay, 8 meter. 6 plus 8 14 amma. 14 means 4, remaining 1, it's a decameter, DAM. Then 6 plus 6 ma 12, so 2, remaining 1, it's a hectometer. So I am writing H only, afterwards we can write in a full form. Okay, so here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 3. So it's a kilometer. What is this? It's a kilometer. We multiplied these numbers. See, meter, it's coming in a single digit only, 8 meter. Decameter also coming in a single digit only, 4 decameter. Hectometer also 2 hectometer, but in your kilometer only changed, 39 kilometer. Kilometer coming with 2 digit. So what is the answer? 39 kilometer, 2 hectometer, then 4 decameter, then 8 meter. It's the answer. Normal multiplication only, don't get fear. Okay, so in the first Roman they gave 6 summa. I work out here 3 sums. You can do one more sum, C sum only. You can do your homework. That's enough, no need to work out all sums. Okay, in the book they didn't give the space, so you have to write this exercise in your class of note only. Already I told you, whenever you are starting this 10th chapter, have to write that measurement table. After that, after completing exercise 10.1, you can start 10.2. They didn't give the space to your book, so you have to copy your class of note. Okay, then second sum. Okay, my second Roman they gave solve. A sum. Rani school is at a distance of 2 kilometer 250 meter from her home. How much distance does she cycle every week? That means 6 working days, Monday to Saturday. If she goes to school by cycle, one girl is there, Rani. Rani school is at a distance of 2 kilometer 250 meter from her home. Distance, first we have to write the distance between school to home. How much distance does she cycle every week? Number of working days in a week, 6 days ma. If she goes to school by cycle, we can work out this sum. Solution. Distance between school to home first. distance between school to home. What is the distance? 2 kilometer, 250 meter. 2 kilometer, 250 meter. So they gave 2 units. First we can convert into any one unit, meter. Bigger unit to smaller unit we can convert. That means what will come? 1 kilometer means it's equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer means it's 2000 meter. So 2000 plus 250, 2250 meter. Okay. So distance between school to home 2250 meter means one day she travels 2 times. Morning she goes home to school one time, that same distance 2 kilometer 250 meter. Again evening again she is cycling school to home 2 kilometer 250 meter. So that means we have to multiply that distance by 2, because 2 times every day she goes 2 times. So we have to multiply by 2. So what will come? Multiply by 2 means 2250 into 2. What will come? 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 2s are 4. So 4500 meter. Every day she travels by cycle 4500 meter. So number of working days in a week. How many days they gave? Number of working days. In our question itself they gave number of working days 6 days. 6 days. So we have to multiply this 4500 by 6 means we can get the total distance. That means how many kilometer every week she travels. Okay. So 4500 into 6. This one we have to write the sentence. Rani covers distance per day. Rani covers distance per day means a day. Say one day she travels 4500 meter. So number of working days they gave 6 days. So we have to multiply this 4500 by 6 days. Therefore total distance she travels in a week. 4500 into 6. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 0, remaining 3, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 3 amma 27. So here no value for this zeros. Okay, no need. It's a meter. 2700 meter. We can convert this one into kilometer means 27 kilometer. 27 kilometer. Totally she travels 27 kilometer in a week. Okay. So we can write like that or in a meter also. Okay ma. Copy this sum in your class book note. We go to the next one. Okay, ma. In the second Roman, second sum, B sum, they gave 2.25 meter of cloth is required to stitch one shirt. 2.25 meter of cloth is required to stitch one shirt. How much cloth is required to stitch 17 shirts? They gave the requirement of cloth for one shirt is 2.25 meter. That means how much cloth we require to stitch 17 shirts. How we can find the answer? Yes, by multiplication we can find the answer. Okay, listen. Required cloth for one shirt. .25 meter. Now, how many shirts they are asking? The cloth for 17 shirts. So, number of shirts. How many shirts they gave? Number of shirts 17. Then required cloth for 17 shirts. Therefore, required cloth for 17 shirts. Required cloth for 17 shirts. So how we can find the answer? By multiplication we can find the answer. So 2.25 into 17. So double digit multiplication. You can work out the answer on the side also. So 2.25 into 17. So 5 sevens are 35. 3 remaining, 5 remaining 3. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 remaining 1. 2 sevens are again 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. So addition 5, 12, remaining 1, 7 plus 1 8 ma, 2 plus 1 3. So here after 2 digit we have to keep the decimal point. So here also after 2 digit we have to keep the decimal point. So how much the required cloth for 17 shirts ma? 38.25 unit you must mention. What unit they gave? Meter. So required cloth for to stitch 17 shirts is 38.25 meter. Okay, once again I repeat it. They gave the measurement of cloth to stitch one shirt is 2 meter, 2.25 meter. That means they are asking the required cloth for 17 shirts. How much cloth we need? So we have to multiply by 17 means we can get the answer. So 2.25 meter into 17, the answer is 38.25 meter. Cloth we required to stitch 17 shirts. Okay, so you copy these sums. Whenever you are writing in your class of note ma, you must write the question also. Without the question, don't write the answer. Okay, you must write the question also in your class of note. So copy your class of note. Okay ma. The second Roman, C sum. An ant is 9 millimeter long. If there are 17 ants in a line, find the length of the line. They are asking in two ways. First answer you have to give in a millimeter. second answer you have to give in centimeter. Okay, once again I read the question, just listen. An ant is 9 millimeter long. Length of the ant is 9 millimeter. If there are 17 ants in a line, ants usually go by line only, no? 17 ants in a line. Find the length of the line. Find the length of the line in two ways. First one you have to find in millimeter. Second one you have to find the same answer with centimeter. First answer no problem, because they gave the length of the ant is millimeter only. So automatically it will come in millimeter. Second one only, after you are finding the answer you have to convert into centimeter. Right. Solution. What is the length of the ant? Length of an ant. Length of an ant is 9 millimeter. Mm means it's a millimeter. Number of ants in a line. How many ants? Number of ants in a line. How many ants, ma? 17 ants. How many ants? 17 ants in a line. Now we are going to find the length of a line. Therefore, length of a line. How we can find the length of the line? We have to multiply this 17 by 9 means we can get the answer. So what will come? 9 sevens are 63, amma? 63. 63 means 3, remaining 6, 1 9s are 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 153. What measurement they gave? Millimeter. So the length of the line is 153 millimeter. This is the first one answer. This answer for the first question. 153 millimeter. We find the answer. Then second one. Second question what they are asking? We have to find the answer by centimeter. So centimeter means it's answer for second one, it's answer for first one. So how many millimeter for 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter it's equal to 10 millimeter. Is it or not? So how we can write? Otherwise we can write 1 by 10 centimeter. Is it correct or not? So now we are going to change that 153 millimeter by centimeter. So therefore 153 millimeter means equal to 153 by 10. 153 by 10. So what will come? After one digit we have to keep the decimal point. So 15.3 centimeter is the answer. So what is the length of the line means? In millimeter the length of the line is 153 millimeter. In centimeter means 15.3 centimeter. The length of the line in centimeter means 15.3 centimeter. Once again I repeat it, ma. Length of an ant is they gave 9 millimeter. Now we are going to find the length of a line. On that line 17 ants are there. 17 ants. Okay, length of a line means we have to multiply this 17 by 9 means we can get 153 millimeter. They are asking to write the answer in two ways. One is millimeter. Millimeter means we find the answer as usual by millimeter only, 153 millimeter. But in centimeter means we have to convert that millimeter into centimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. We write in a fraction means 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore 153 millimeter means 153 by 10. That means 15.3 centimeter. The length of the line is 15.3 centimeter. We find the answer in two ways. Okay, copy this sum in your classwork note. In this Roman they gave 5 sums. No need to work out all sums. I work out here 3 sums. The 3 sums only you have to work out in your classwork note. That's enough. No need to work out all sums. Remaining 2 sums you can utilize for your practice. Okay. Then we go to the third Roman. The third Roman is divide. Okay ma, next Roman, third Roman, divide. Third Roman is divide. First sum, A1, 39.9.6 meter by 4. This also as usual division only ma. Only one thing they gave here, decimal point and unit also. First you have to remove the unit and divide it. Afterwards in your answer you can write the unit. See, divide by 4. So say the fourth table and find out how many times 3 is the smallest number, so we cannot divide. So take the next digit also. Now we have 39. How many 4s are there in 39? 9 times it will come, no? 9 4s are 36. Is it or not? 9 4s are 36. So as usual subtraction, 9 minus 6. 3 minus 3, no need to write the 0. Then bring down the 6, it's a decimal part. So before you are bring down, you keep the decimal point on the quotient also. Now you have 36. Again 9 times it will come. 9 4s are 36. So 36 minus 36, 0. So this is the answer. So we divide this 39.6 meter by 4 means the answer is 9.9 meter. 9.9 meter. Okay ma, as usual division only. But they gave the unit, so without fail you have to write the unit and keep the decimal point. Okay ma, next Roman, fourth one, solve. Word problem only. A person travels 1582.4 kilometer in 4 days by car. A person travels 1582.4 kilometer in 4 days by car. Assuming that he travels equal distance each day. Assuming that he travels equal distance each day, find the distance travelled in 1 day. So how we can find out ma? How we can find out? By division we can find the answer. Okay, in our previous Roman, the second Roman, they gave all sums are multiplication. In the fourth Roman, all sums are division. By division we can find the answer. Solution. A person travels in 4 days. How many kilometers? 1582.4 kilometer. Then first we have to find out, that means how many kilometers he is traveling in 1 day. He travels in 1 day This 1582.4 divided by 4, because they gave it's a 4 days distance only, divided by 4. We can divide by normal division. I work out the division sum on the side. 1582.4 divided by 4. So 1 is the smallest number. So we have to take 15. How many 4s are there? 3 times it will come. 3 4s are 12. Subtracted means 5 minus 3, 2, 3. 3 also smallest number than 4. So bring down the next number. Now you have 38. Find out how many 4s are there in 38. 9 4s are 36. So 8 minus 6 2. 2 also smallest number than our 4. So bring down the next number 22. Again find out how many 4s are there in 22. 5 4s are 20. So subtracted means 2 minus 0 2. 2 also smallest number than our divisor. Bring down the next number. It's a decimal part. So before you have to bring that number, you keep the decimal point on the quotient. Then you bring down that number 4. Find out how many 4s are there in 24. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Okay. So 395.6. He travels in a day. A person travels in a day. A person travels in a day. Travels in a day 395.6 kilometer. It's the answer. Okay. So copy this sum in your class doc note. Next one. Okay ma, B1. A bookshelf is 90 centimeter long. How many books can fit in the shelf if each book is 30 millimeter thick? Okay. They gave one bookshelf length and they also give the thickness of the book also. So using this, how many books we can fit in the bookshelf, we have to find out. How we can find out ma? By division we can find out how many books we can fit in the bookshelf. Okay. See. Solution. Length of the bookshelf. Length of the bookshelf is what they gave, 90 centimeter. Listen ma, here they gave the length of the bookshelf is in centimeter, but they gave the length of the book unit is 30 centimeter. So we can convert this 90 centimeter also into millimeter. Okay. So how many millimeter for 1 centimeter? 10 millimeter for 1 centimeter. So we can multiply this 90 into 10. It's equal to 900 millimeter. Then only it's easy to divide. Okay, 900 millimeter. Because whenever we are doing division, that both lengths are in the same unit only, we can divide it easily. So for that only, I change that 90 centimeter into millimeter. Now, length of the thickness of the book. Thickness of the book is, what is the thickness? 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. Now we have to divide this 900 by 30. Then only we can find out how many books we can fit into the bookshelf. Number of books in the shelf. Therefore, Number of books fit into the shelf. (900) divided by 30. So as usual, normal division. I work out on the side. 900 divided by 30. 9 is the smallest number than 30. So join the 0 also. Now you have 90. So how many 30s are there in 90? 3 times. 3 30s are 90. So 90 minus 90, 0. The next number also 0. No need to bring down the 0 here, because here you have, if you are having a number, then only you bring down the 0 means it has a value, but already here also you have 0. So no need to bring down the 0 to here. This 0 will automatically go to the quotient. Where it goes? Go to the quotient. Now we find out how many books we can fit into the bookshelf. 30 books. How many books, ma? 30 books we can fit into the bookshelf. That's all. Okay, ma? So copy these sums in your class of note. In the 4th Roman also they gave 5 sums, ma. I work out A sum and B sum. You can do the E sum only. That's very easy only. Remaining 2 sums, no need to write in your class of note. The 2 sums you can utilize for your practice. Okay, thank you. We completed the exercise 10.2 now. So in our next class we can see exercise 10.3. Okay, thank you.